Wow. What's the matter, Gia?
It burns.
What does it do?
Burns.
It burns. It's beauty is pain.
I don't know why it burned then.
So she recorded
Beauty is say it. Beauty is pain.
Beauty
Say it again.
Pain. Beauty is pain.
He's so proud too, boy.
Mommy, but it really burns, so we're gonna have to get this done
Dang,
quick.
I said middle. You made it cold.
Mom,
I said middle. I just meant middle water pressure.
Mom, we need to get this done really quick.
I'm working on it. And the tip's not gonna be all out and quick. I'm gonna press them. Which one's the warm water? The other way. With left or right? Left.
Is it burning?
Yes.
It is?
Yes.
Oh, so you wanted the perm?
Oh yeah.
Mommy gotta have a perm.
Man, but it really burns.
Okay, she's getting it.
Cold water then.
Oh, yeah.
She don't even care now. Remember on Malcolm X?
Look at the toilet bowl. What's your water so cold? It ain't getting warm.
Mom,
I got it on hot?
Yeah.
You really want to put your hand hot so it can get hot and then turn down.
Okay, you ready? You ready, Gia?
So
can I get a burn?
You ready, Gia?
You ready to get the water? It still ain't warm.
No? Because he just took a shower.
Oh.
Used up all the hot water. Say Uncle Makai used up all the hot water.
Uncle Makai used all the hot
Ready for a cold washing?
You ain't gonna have a choice.
Good boy. Or you can let your hair fall out. Bend it all the way down. Get a chair.
I can't, I need a chair.
Okay, we'll be back in a minute.
Back up, Gia.